चैनल बी ब्लॉग में आप सभी स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ाने उत्तर प्रदेश लोक सेवा आयोग पॉलिटेक्निक लेक्चरर परीक्षा 2021 सेकंड वर्ष रसायन विज्ञान। In enantiomers, protons of molecule give NMR signal as follows: A1, B2, C3, 4, D4, 1. Photolysis of benzophenone in sunlight in the presence of alcoholic solvent gives a benzyl alcohol, B benzophenol, C biphenyl, D benzophenol, B benzophenol. Which of the purine base is present in RNA? Guanine, cytosine, thymine, uracil, guanine. Pyridoxine is also known as vitamin B2, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, vitamin B1, vitamin B6. Product A CF3 HCl NNS2 B. निम्नलिखित युगों में से कौन सुमेलित नहीं है? ए थायमिन बेरी, विटामिन डी रक्ताल्पता, विटामिन ए नारदावधि, विटामिन सी मसूड़ों में रक्तस्राव। बी रक्तवानता। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंपाउंड इज वायरल है? 1 क्लोरोपेंटेन, बी 3 क्लोरोपेंटेन, सी 2 क्लोरो 2 मेथिल पेंटेन, 2 क्लोरो 2 मेथिल पेंटेन, 3 क्लोरो 2 मेथिल पेंटेन, डी 3 क्लोरो 2 मेथिल पेंटेन. Which of the following species is an abundant nucleophile? A CH3 CH2, B CH2 double bond CH2, C NO2, D NH2 CNO2. Which of the following show a optical isomer in CH3 CH2 CH3 CH2OH CHOH CH2OH CH3 CHOH C2H5 CCl2 F2 C CCH CH3 CHOH. Which of the following carbonic compound give Norris type reaction? CH3 COO CH2 CH3 CH3 COO CH2 CH2 का होल टॉइस CH3 CH3 C डबल बॉन्ड O CH3 CH3 C डबल बॉन्ड OH B CH3 C डबल बॉन्ड O CH2 CH2 CH3. Number of diastereomers of pentene 2,4 tri all are 3 B2 C4 D1 C4. Photolytic decarbonylation of cyclic ketones gives first diol, B alkane, C aldehyde, C cyclic hydrocarbon, D cyclic hydrocarbon. Which one is the major product of the following reaction? C. What is the configuration of chiral centers 1 and 2 respectively in the following compound? R and S, R and R, S and S, S and R, S and R. The following reaction is regioselective, diastereoselective, chemoselective, enantioselective, chemoselective. The final product of reformatory reaction is alpha hydroxy ester, second beta hydroxy ester, C alpha hydroxy ketone, B beta hydroxyaldehyde, B beta hydroxy ester. Vitamin E is also known as adenine, B riboflavin, C ascorbic acid, D tocopherol. 4,4-dipyridine is derivative of indole, A B pyrrole, C pyridine, D quinoline. 4,4-pyridine. Reverse reaction of MPB reduction is known as 1 oxidation, open neuron oxidation, C Bolton oxidation, in open neuron oxidation. Which of the following molecule has R configuration? B. Yes. Which of the following does not react with Fehling solution? CH3 CHO C6H5 CHO CHCOOH C6H12O6 B C6H5CHO. The 4 heterocyclic bases present in RNA are adenine, cytosine, guanine, uracil. First add 3. Addition of aqueous bromine to cis-2-butene gives. In essentially, which of the following is most active? C6H5X, CH3X, C2H5X, R2CHS, B CH3X. Collagen rearrangement involves the following type of sigma tropic shift: first 2,3, B 3,3, C 1,3, D 1,5, B 3,3. An isotope in the an amino acid behaves as a cation, B anion, B cation, A anion, B C deuterion, C carboxylic acid, C deuterion. Which will give meso product with Bayer reagent? In phosphorane, the carbon atom is positively charged, B negatively charged, C G type free radical D none of the above. Which statement is true for the given reaction? Cl CH3 NaOH H2O at 300 degree Celsius. A is major product. Which are the following alkene will give the major product with Br2? 1 butane propane cis 2 butane trans 2 butane trans 2 butane. Oxidation of ketone to ester इन्होंने बेयर विलेगर rearrangement Swan oxidation Beckman rearrangement Favorsky rearrangement rearrangement. How many PMR signals will be exhibited in the following compound? A3 4 5. Number of geometric isomers given by CH3 CH double bond CH CH double bond CH single bond CH3 is 2 3 4 0 2 3. B. In the following reaction, which one of the following compounds will not be formed? CH3 CH double bond CH2 Br2 NaI H2O. C CH3 CH Br CH2I. The compound must be optically active if it does not contain A C1 B C2 C3 C3 D CSN DSN. Which ion is strongest nucleophile in DMSO solution? A F minus B Cl minus C Br minus D Di minus Af minus. Which of the following alkaloid is isolated from opium? A atropine B meroquinine C morphine D quinine C morphine. The atom is pyridine is sp hybridized sp2 hybridized sp3 hybridized sp3d hybridized sp2 hybridized. Which group is given highest priority when assigning R small molecule? A C बराबर C B C triple bond C C OH C triple bond N C C C OH. Which are the following is not electrophile? NH3 B Br plus C H plus D A NH3. Final product of which rearrangement reaction is not an amine? A Curtius B is Schmidt C Lawson D Beckman. Nucleic acids are polymer of nucleotide and ribonucleotide. B amino acid C peptide B glucose amino molecule. A nucleotide and ribonucleotide. Bromination of quinolone at 500 degree produces A 3 bromoquinolone 2 bromoquinolone A and B 2 bromoquinolone. Which one of the following is electrophile reducing? A LiLH4 NaBH4 B3 B2S6 D none of the above. C B2S6. Which are the following reaction does involve a carbon and A Perkin reaction? B Dickman condensation C Benjamin condensation D pinacol addition of molecule of water in presence of H2SO4 and HD2 plus 2 propane gives A acetone B propanol C 1 propanol D 2 propanol A acetone. Conjugate addition is given by the following substrate: A CH2 double bond CHCl B CH2 double bond CH CH2 OCHO C CH2 double bond CHCN D CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2 NO2 CH2 double bond CH. Which of the following reaction does not result in CC bond formation? A aldol reaction B dialthalter reaction C Cannizzaro reaction D Perkin reaction C Cannizzaro reaction. With I2NaOH pyrrole gives a monoiodopyrrole B diiodopyrrole triiodopyrrole tetraiodopyrrole. The product of the given reaction is ROR plus Me3SiI is ROMe R-OMe MEOR R-I. Bromine water oxidizer glucose only A B glucose only fructose only C B fructose only D glucose only. The conversion of vinyl cyclopropene upon heating is an example of which of the following sigmotropic rearrangement? A33 B13 C15 D12 B13. Which of the following reagent is applied for allylic bromination? A LDA B NBS C DCC D Br2 CH3 COOH BS. Which one of the following is not related to reduction? A Birch B Wolff-Kishner C Clemmensen D Claisen. Hexer 235 triinsole A cis trans-isomerism B atropisomerism C polymorphism D metamorphism A cis trans-isomerism. The main structural feature of protein is ester linkage B ether linkage C peptide linkage D sulfur linkage C peptide linkage. Presence of chloro group in an organic compound can be determined by following best method. A IR spectra, B UV spectra, C mass spectrometry, D PMR spectra, C mass spectrometry. The energy difference between the anti-conformation and Gaussian conformation of mutation is 1.0 kilocalorie per B 2.5 kilocalorie per mole, C 0.9 kilocalorie per mole, D 1.8 kilocalorie per mole, C 0.9 kilocalorie. The intermediate species in Hoffman bromide reaction is carbanion, B carbocation, C isocyanate, D carbene. Isocyanate. Product of the reaction is CH2CH2. Predict the product of the following reaction. The stable form of trans 1,4-dimethyl cyclohexane is represented D. CH3. The excited state having net magnetic moment is called singlet, triplet, both singlet and triplet. The none of the B triplet, which are the following gives alkyl the reaction phosphodiol with a pyrrole with thiophene, C furan, D pyridine. Furan. Quantum yield of a photochemical reaction. A always less than unity, B always equal to unity, C always greater than unity, D can have any value greater than 0 depending on the reaction D. Which statement is true for the product of methionine? A beta amino carbonyl compound, B alpha amino carbonyl compound, C carboxylic acid, D none of the beta carbonyl compound. 2-butene adds 2 molecules of hypochlorous acid to form 2-butanone, 3-dichloro, 2-butanone, 2,3-dichlorobutane, 2,3-diol, 2,3-butane diol, 2,3-dichlorobutane, 2,3-diol. The final product of the reaction given reaction is terpenol concentrate H2SO4 heat A rp-mycin, B p-methane, C methanol decanone, A thymine. Which diene will not take place in a diethyl reaction? A benzene. A benzene. Which of the following is called aromatic? A furan, B pyrrole, C pyridine, D indole. Pyrrole. Which are the following? Which one of the following vitamin control the rickets disease? A vitamin C, B vitamin D, C vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin D. DCC is used for ester synthesis, A B amine synthesis, C amide synthesis, D acid amide synthesis. Which of the following is responsible for the transmission of hereditary character? A RNA, B DNA, C hemoglobin, D protein DNA. Which of the following compound has highest VC equal to 0? CH3COOCl, CH3COOF, CH3COOCN3F, COOFD. The product of aldol condensation is A beta hydroxyaldehyde, A beta alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde, C gamma aldehyde, beta gamma unsaturated aldehyde. A beta hydroxyaldehyde. So the following is not soluble water: vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, vitamin C, vitamin A. Which of the following does not constitute the nucleic acid? A uracil, B guanidine, C ribose sugar, D phosphoric acid, B guanidine. Ramer-Taymer reaction involves A carbonium ion intermediate, B carbene intermediate, C carbanion intermediate, D intermediate, B carbene intermediate. The extinction coefficient has the unit A mole centimeter inverse, B mole centimeter square square, mole inverse centimeter inverse, centimeter square mole inverse, D centimeter square mole. Product A of the following reaction is CH3 COOH NH2 plus Asian alcohol. Heat के प्रबंध A histidine, B hydantoin, C methionine, C tryptophan, B hydantoin. Which of the following reaction is not named after a discoverer? A aldol, B Perkins, C Barton, D Schmidt. A aldol. The number of optically active isomers of HOCH2 CHOH 4 का CHO is 4, 8, 16, 24, 16. In which unit force constant is not expressed? A dyne centimeter inverse, B dyne inverse, C nanometer inverse, B kp. Addition of oxygen to anthracene in presence of light is known as photochemical addition. B photochemical reaction, C photochemical oxidation, D none of the photochemical oxidation. Which of the following carbocation is more stable? A CH3 C6H5 का whole thrice, C plus CH3 का whole thrice, C plus Cl. The number of tripeptide which can form from glycine, alpine and valine is 2, B 3, C 6, D 9, C 6. Benzene is represented as B. The alpha helix structure of protein is a common form में primary structure, B secondary structure, C tertiary structure, D quaternary structure. B secondary structure. Reagent used in similar reaction is AN3 N3HOS minus BNS3H plus CNS3 N3H plus DNS3OH minus N3H plus. Which of the following structure is most stable of 1,4-cyclohexane diol? D. OH. The reverse of photochemical reaction is called photosensitization. B. Chemiluminescence. C. Phosphorescence. D. Fluorescence. B. Chemiluminescence. Which of the following reagent undergo Raymond-Taman reaction? A. An organic compound A has neutralization give only one molecule of acetone with and one molecule of formaldehyde. The compound A is 2-methylpropene. B. Propyne. C. Butene 1. D. Butene 2. 2-methylpropene. Which one of the following metal is used in reduction of aldehyde ketone in a phenol? A. Copper. B. Magnesium. C. Platinum. D. Palladium. B. Magnesium. Which of the following is strongest? CH3 COOH CH3 CH2 COOH CH double triple bond COH CH2 double bond CHO CHOH CH2 C double triple bond COH triple. The term umpolang is related to 1,3-diethine and BULILI CBCC CBUS4 AN3 line. Which of the following is bicyclic terpenade? A. Alpha pinene. B. Cetral. C. Menthol. D. Diarinol. Neal. A. Alpha cyanide. Which of the following component undergo SN2 displacement more readily? A. CH3 CH2 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 bar. B. CH2 CH. A. सही. Neohydrin test is used for identifying non-alcohol aldehydes, amino acids, amino acids. The double helix structure of DNA is stabilized by a hydrogen atom. B. Peptide at bond. C. कोवलेंट बॉन्ड. डी. इलेक्ट्रोवायलेंट बॉन्ड. हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. धन्यवाद दोस्तों. चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर करना मत भूलिए. धन्यवाद दोस्तों.